this is Kelly. Today we are making lasagna. I got this recipe from my mother-in-law who made lasagna all the time for my husband when he was growing up, and it is delicious. So let's get started. I have 1 pound of ground beef here in my pan that I'm gonna add 1 large onion to. I'm using 80-20, and we're gonna go ahead and saute this up. We're going to season it with salt and pepper. I have 1 bunch of parsley already chopped in my bowl, and I'm going to add 1 32-ounce container of ricotta cheese. I like the whole milk ricotta, so I'm going to go ahead and add this. To it, I'm going to add 2 eggs, salt and pepper. I have freshly ground Romano cheese. I'm going to add 2 handfuls of that. And mix it all together. Ground beef is done browning, and we're going to go ahead and add our sauce. I have 1 container of leftover sauce that I made. This is homemade, that I got the recipe from my mother-in-law. I made it with spicy, hot sausage, so it's got a lot of flavor. And then we're going to add Rayo's marinara as well. We've let this heat through for 10 minutes, and now we're going to assemble our lasagna. And we have another jar of Rayo's in case we need extra sauce. So we've got our lasagna pan here, and we're going to go ahead and ladle a layer of sauce on the bottom. Now we're going to take our lasagna noodles. You actually don't have to cook your noodles beforehand. So this is what makes this recipe so much easier. They come just like this, and we'll just layer them in here, just like this. And then I just break it to get the edges. Perfect. We'll layer another layer of meat sauce just to cover the noodles. Perfect. Now we're gonna take our ricotta cheese mixture and layer it on top. This is when your hands are your best friend. We're gonna just connect the dots together. Next, we're gonna add mozzarella cheese, already shredded. And now we just repeat it. We're done assembling it. We did 3 layers and topped the last layer with sauce and mozzarella cheese. Now we're going to cover it with tin foil. And we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for an hour and a half. Perfect. We'll check it and see what it looks like in an hour and a half. It's been an hour and a half, and we're going to go ahead and get the lasagna out. This looks perfect, and it smells amazing. I'm going to check the center, and it is totally done. It's ready to go. I hope you guys enjoy this lasagna recipe and give it a try. It is so delicious, and my dog is humping me. And there she is.